They said it was a watch.
New Hampshire. The U.S. Forest Service Mountain Washington Avalanche Center has issued a backcountry avalanche warning. This avalanche warning does not apply to operating ski areas. But a significant winter storm, bringing the possibility of 2 to 3 feet of snow and strong wind to the higher summits in the presidential range, will create dangerous avalanche conditions. Travel in a near avalanche terrain is not recommended. Where the presidential range avalanche forecast area includes
the mini camera's filming me, filming the radios.
US RT-302 and New Hampshire RT-16. This includes hiking trail that traverse across steep terrain like Summer.
It said Avalanche Watch. That wasn't an Avalanche Watch.
May existed locations outside the coverage area where steep, open terrain exists that has collected wind-drifted snow. When in effect from Thursday 0400 Eastern Daylight Time to Friday 0400 Eastern Daylight Time. Impacts, natural and human-triggered avalanches that are large enough to bury multiple people, snap trees, and destroy structures are very likely to occur. These large avalanches may run far down their historic paths into the areas that are typically considered safe zones. As the storm develops, expect rapidly changing and dangerous conditions. Strong winds and heavy snow will limit visibility with whiteout conditions expected. Heavy precipitation with 1 to 2 inches of snowfall per hour is forecast. Avalanche warnings are issued for a 24-hour period, with continued snowfall and changing winds into Friday. It is likely another warning may be issued. Travel in or near avalanche terrain is not recommended. Similar avalanche danger may exist at locations outside the coverage area. And now here is the latest weather summary for New Hampshire and Western Maine. Low pressure in the Gulf of Maine will continue to bring